Your mother visits you once for about 10 seconds. She lands on the edge of a stranger's nest, swaps one egg for her own, and disappears. You will never see her again, and she planned it that way. You are a cuckoo, and you were never meant to be anyone's child. You hatch before the others. The egg your mother laid has already been incubating inside her for an extra day, so by the time you crack out of your shell, the other eggs haven't even started. You are blind, naked, and roughly the size of a grape, and within hours you get to work. Nobody teaches you what to do next. There are no parents watching, no instructions. Just an instinct buried so deep in your genes it fires before your eyes even open. You feel an egg beside you, and you push. You maneuver it onto your back, brace your tiny legs against the sides of the nest, and tip it over the edge. Then you find the next one, and you push that one too. One by one, blind and exhausted, you clear the nest. The foster parents watch this happen and do nothing. They cannot help it. The instinct to feed a begging chick is stronger than everything else, even when the chick doing the begging just murdered their entire family. You are now alone in the nest, and you have one more trick. Your begging call sounds like an entire brood of chicks, not one hungry bird, a whole nest of them screaming at once. So your foster parents, two tiny reed warblers barely bigger than your head, work themselves to the bone, bringing you food all day, long enough for children they no longer have. You grow fast. Within 2 weeks, you are larger than both your foster parents combined. They are still feeding you, perching on your back sometimes just to reach your open beak, looking like they are feeding a creature from another world, because they are. By 3 weeks, you leave the nest, too big to stay, but your foster parents follow you, still bringing food, still answering that call, still working for a child that was never theirs. And then one day you stop calling, and they stop coming. And that is the end of the only relationship you have ever had. Now comes the part nobody warned you about. All the adult cuckoos, every single one of them, left for Africa weeks ago. Your biological parents included. They were gone before you even fledged. So when the pull of migration hits you, that deep magnetic compass buried in your chest pointing south, you follow it, alone. No parents to trail, no flock to join. No one who has made this journey before you. Just you, the stars, and thousands of miles of ocean and desert between here and a continent you have never seen. You cross the Sahara in a single flight, nearly 60 hours without stopping, guided by nothing but the Earth's magnetic field and the memory of a route encoded in your DNA before you were born. You make it. You spend the winter in the forests of Africa, and when spring pulls you back north, you return, and here is the part that closes the circle. You find a nest. You watch it. You wait. And when the moment is right, you land, swap one egg for your own, and you are gone in about 10 seconds, just like your mother. You will never meet your child. You were not raised to, and somewhere in a stranger's nest, an egg is getting warmer, and the whole thing starts again.